How to find your phone's model Android device. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys a quick and easy way to find which Android version is your phone running on. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. So the very first thing you need to do is open up your device settings, and from here, you just want to head over all the way to the bottom until you see About Phone. So just tap on About Phone. Now from here, you just want to head over to the software information. Go ahead and tap on software information. And here you will be able to see your UI version and your Android version as well. So I'm running on Samsung UI 6.1, One UI 6.1, and then I'm running on Android version 14. So if you want to check, you can keep tapping on it, and here it will load out a default gameplay for Android 14. So if you just keep tapping on it, you can just move around with this little spaceship around the space where your goal is to find different planets. So this is a fun little game that Android provides you with each iteration of a new Android version. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching.